Alright, so Nvidia is kind of infamous in the Linux community for causing a lot of problems. And one of the problems that it causes can be pretty frustrating for newer Linux users. I will demonstrate the issue right here. Alright, so the problem is that if you boot up Linux Mint after freshly installing it, Linux Mint. Alright, so after it's finally done booting up, we can type in our password. And once we hit enter, we are presented with a black screen. We have a cursor, we can move it around, but it's just a black screen. The desktop won't load, and it just kind of stays like this forever. And this is a pretty common problem. I think it's caused because of Nvidia. This has an Nvidia card in it, and as I said before, Nvidia is sort of infamous for not really cooperating with Linux. And if you look up online how to fix it, you'll probably find some very convoluted solutions, but I've actually managed to find a pretty easy way to fix this problem. So I have to manually shut off our computer. Once we boot it up again, instead of going straight into Linux Mint, we're going to go into the advanced options. And to do that, we're going to go into the GRUB, and you're just going to have to spam the F1 key until it boots you into the advanced options menu. Sorry, I meant the GRUB, not the advanced options menu. Depending on what kind of keyboard you're using, you might have to hold the function key when pressing the F key. In my case, it's F1, but it might be different for you. But your goal is to get into the GRUB menu right here. So instead of booting straight into Linux Mint, we're going to go to advanced options right here, the second option. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to hit recovery mode, second option right here. So you should be presented with a screen something like this, and it's probably pretty hard to see, but the third option right here, DPKG, repair broken packages, that's the one you're going to want to select, and hit enter. Click yes. Type Y, click yes. Alright, so there we go. Now we're going to go to resume normal boot. And when we enter our password and log in, it should function normally. Just enter, and just give it a second. And there we go. Now what we're going to want to do is immediately go into our driver manager. It should give you a little prompt right there. Type in our password. We're going to click on the recommended Nvidia driver and apply changes. And once it's finally finished doing that, just click restart, and your computer should automatically restart. And we can just type in our password, hit enter, and there you go, functioning as normal. And so yeah, there you go. That's how you fix that problem. So there you go. Thanks for watching.